yomei means life expectancy. You can pronounce it yome or yomei. Yome or yomei. But I recommend saying yomei. Yomei. Many Japanese native speakers, especially youngers, say yome, yome, but it sounds a bit rough. Yomei is better. And you can hear this word in movies or TV shows. The scene in the hospital. Doctors say, 嫁3ヶ月です. I hope not. We hear this word in real life. And 嫁 means wife. Please watch this video to distinguish the word 妻 and 嫁. 嫁, 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 嫁. So we can say 嫁の嫁, 嫁の嫁. 嫁の嫁が3ヶ月. 夢か. And if someone says うちの嫁は3ヶ月です。嫁は3ヶ月です。With happy face, that means his wife is 3 months pregnant. So please don't misunderstand in the following situation. うちの嫁3ヶ月なんだ。Oh, so sorry to hear that. かわいそうですね。なんで? Don't worry about it too much. This is just an example of the Japanese speech accent. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。